Hey family, welcome back to Everything's Major Cook Month. For today's episode, we're making some quick and easy peri-peri chicken wings. These chicken wings are spicy and delicious and of course packed with lots of flavor. So without further ado, join me in the kitchen and let's make it major. All the information and ingredients will be down in the description box. So sit back and relax while I do all the work and you enjoy the ride. Welcome to Everything's Major Cook Must. A countdown to Christmas. Merry Cookmas. Everything's major. First, we're going to clean and pat dry our chicken wing. The ingredients we'll be using today is avocado oil, tomato paste, minced garlic, salt, pepper, Cajun seasoning, chili powder, paprika, red pepper flakes, oregano, thyme, herbes de Provence, and coriander. Now drizzle some avocado oil evenly on all your chicken wings on the front and back side. Then season both sides with the seasonings we mentioned earlier. Remember, all the information will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with all your families and friends. Now we have the chicken nice and seasoned on both sides. Now add in about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Rub it in very well. Now drizzle about 3 tablespoons of butter all over your chicken. This is going to add some additional flavor. We're going to bake our wings on 400 degrees for about 45 to an hour. While that's baking, if you're in the mood for more chicken, check out my oven roasted chicken. It's so tender, juicy, and always delicious. The link for that recipe will be down in the description box. Ooh, I smell the chicken, family. The house, it has a beautiful aroma. The chicken is nice and ready. It looks so good and delicious. I'm just going to try one. Yes, just what I thought, nice, tender, and juicy. So the next time you're craving something spicy and irresistible, make sure to make these peri-peri wings. I'm about to dive in, family. So thank you for watching and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you again real soon on Everything's Major Cook Month. God bless you. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.